In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive tasks in Asana. If you've ever wondered how to clear finished work out of your way without losing it, this approach is the simplest and most reliable. Asana doesn't use a traditional archive button for individual tasks. Instead, the most common method is to hide completed tasks from your active view while keeping them fully intact and searchable whenever you need them. Start by marking the task complete. When you're in a project or looking at your task list, click the checkmark circle next to the task's name. You'll see the task change state to completed immediately. This is the safest way to wrap up work because it preserves everything associated with the task, its description, comments, attachments, assignee, and due dates, so nothing is lost. And don't worry, marking a task complete isn't permanent. If you ever need to bring it back into play, you can click the check mark again to toggle it back to incomplete. Next, adjust your view so completed work fades out of sight. In the top right corner of your project, click the filter button. This opens your project's view settings. Think of this as your control panel for what you want to see day to day. Setting the right filter keeps your workspace focused and uncluttered, especially when a project has dozens or hundreds of tasks. Now, make sure the filter is set to show incomplete tasks. With that selection applied, you'll only see the work that still needs attention. All the tasks you've marked complete will quietly disappear from your active list. This is the Asana equivalent of archiving. Finished tasks are hidden from your main workflow, but they still live in the project, ready to be referenced later. It's a clean, organized way to move forward without deleting any history. A couple of quick tips to make this stick. If you're collaborating with others in the same project, encourage using the same filter so everyone shares a consistent view of what's active. When you need to revisit old work, you can find completed tasks using the search bar or by temporarily changing your filter to include them. And if a completed task requires follow-up, simply mark it incomplete to pull it right back into focus. That's all there is to it. Mark the task complete, filter your project to incomplete tasks, and enjoy a tidy, focused workspace that keeps past work accessible without letting it crowd your day.